Welcome back to my channel, y'all. We're about to make this HelloFresh meal. It was literally so good and so easy. So just stay tuned. Everything is literally self-explanatory on this card that it comes with. Comment below if you ever try HelloFresh or Blue Apron or Home Chef, whatever. Let me know in the comments which one you like best. All right, guys, I've been using HelloFresh for a long time, about 4 or 5 years, on and off, and we're about to do this yummy, yummy hamburger. Y'all, it was so good. Like, you can literally just make your own hamburger, but like trying different recipes. Like, you know how you go to Chili's or Ruth Chris and get a hamburger and they literally taste different, or McDonald's or Burger King, whatever, it tastes different. So I like to choose different recipes and it's good portion control. I don't like all my recipes and stuff like that literally was a hit. And you pick your own meal. So like if you don't like it, just skip that week or, you know. So pretty much everything is on the recipe card. Is literally so easy. And these meals are like under 35 minutes, which I love. I just love it. And it's just something to try. If you don't like it, cool, cancel the subscription. Or if you do like it, you keep your portion controls. That's what I like about it. Because I tend to overbuy groceries and it'll end up going bad. And I feel bad for throwing it away because I don't like to waste food. So with this, it's like you select the meals that you'll need. And literally, I love it. Period. Right here, you kind of oil your pan and getting it ready for your next cooking ingredient. Everything is literally self-explanatory. Keep watching. here's your caramelized onions. And it's crazy because I like fresh onions on my burger, but this was a hit. So I'm just adding the rest of my fried seasoning to the ground beef. And everything came in there, but except the salt and pepper. And that's something we all typically have in our home, hopefully. So I'm just adding my little ingredients and turning it into a burger. And literally, y'all, I use this red wok for everything. I literally don't even cook without it. It's so low maintenance, but literally has your food so good you won't burn it because it's nonstick. Love it. So we seasoned our meat, make sure it's really flat, girl. And we're just gonna sit it in a pan and let it do its thing. I'm adding the ice cube because I like to make sure it doesn't shrivel up too bad, but to each his own. Make sure you don't burn yourself.